Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I will be showcasing you how to add your name on your iPhone lock screen. As you can see right here, you can write your name just in the widget row, or you can write here in the middle between the bottom two icons right here. You can choose if you want it on the both or just one or the other. So let's go ahead and let me guide you. Okay guys, there are two different methods through which you can add your name on your widget or at the bottom. If you want to add your name right here in the bottom, or you can add your name right here in the widget as I have just showed you earlier. So let's get started. So let's start adding down below. So all you have to do is to pull down from your control center, tap and hold here on your focus mode, and then tap on add new focus, as you can see right here. So you can add the custom focus, as you can see, and you can type in your name. I'm going to be adding my YouTube channel name in here, which is TANSAFTECH. And after adding the name, then choose the color. I'm going towards the red color. And then you are going to choose the icon, and that icon is also going to be appearing right next to your name. And let's go ahead and press the next button and tap on the customization focus. As you probably know, focus mode are actually made to manage your notification, but we are not using it for that purpose. Our whole point of this focus we are creating is just to display a name. After that, you just need to exit and pull down the control center from the top right corner, and in here press and hold on the focus mode and turn on the focus mode which you have created. When it's turned on and you lock the screen, you will notice that the name has been displayed on the bottom side. So this is the first method. Now the other method is also going to be pretty simple. What you need to do is to open up your settings, scroll down towards the general, then about. In here you will find out the name of the iPhone. It is already written iPhones. You maybe have different name in here. You just need to change that particular name in here and just go back. After that, what you have to do is go towards your customization page on the lock screen, tap and hold on that, and you can press the lock screen to open. Here you will select the widget, and in here you will find out the battery widget. You have noticed that there has been a name entered already which you have in the about phone. Just tap on that and it is going to be added on your top screen. So guys, as you can see, both the names are going to be added. One is in the widget and the other one is the bottom side. So that is how you can display your name on both the widget and at the bottom. In order to remove that, you just need to do simple step. Just follow that particular simple step. Go towards the lock screen, press and hold in there and press on the customization, and then press on the lock screen. Here you see a minus icon on the widget screen. Just tap on that and it has been removed from there. Similarly, if you want to remove the name from the bottom side, you just need to pull down the control center and press and hold the focus mode, and then press on that particular focus mode which is active. And now when you lock the screen, you will see that there has been no name at the bottom as well. So guys, these are the simplest methods through which you can. I hope this video has helped you out. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.